Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Seat Leon Estate 1.6 TDI. We're going to have a look at the engine bay and the cockpit and have a good look around and see what the story is. Battery. It's the air filter, airflow mass sensor, dipstick, fuel filter, coolant, brake fluid, and of course the infamous Seat/VW. Part of the, as we all know, Seat is part of the VW family. So technically this is a Volkswagen Golf engine and chassis. Take a look in the cockpit side. Nice steering wheel controls, all your standard cruise control, Bluetooth. Actually has an SD card for the radio as opposed to a CD, something to bear in mind. Taking on a passenger there, my son Logan. Say hi, Logan.
Hi, Logan. Hi! Sorry. I was playing the game.
Let's have a look in the boot. It's a nice big boot on these. Partial shelf on top. Comes in spring loaded. Press to release. Goes back in again. Your typical seat release buttons here and here. And then you got your top tether hooks. This center part here gives access to the boot from the inside. Let's have a look at the space saver wheel. Close that up. Lovely nice big roof rails. They don't have a gap here, so when you're ordering a roof rack, something to bear in mind, it's a different type of connector that sits here. Some nice wheels on her too. Let's try and close the bonnet. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you've liked it, give us a subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that jazz. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and I hope you've enjoyed.